Hi everyone, today I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks on how to stop hiccups. The first thing you can try to do is hold your breath for 5 to 10 seconds. You can also try bearing down like you're having a bowel movement for 5 to 10 seconds. You can close your eyes and put gentle and firm pressure on your closed eyeballs. You can also try pulling on your tongue. You can try biting a lemon. You can try to swallow a teaspoon of dry granulated sugar. And the last thing you can try is bringing your legs up to your chest and holding firm pressure on your chest with your legs for 30 seconds to a minute. All of these things are trying to stimulate the part of your nervous system that will help to relax your diaphragm and hopefully get rid of those hiccups. Good luck, everyone.